Three welcome things that will not affect your portfolio in stock market. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. So what are the three welcome things in stock market that will not affect your stock portfolio, right? So is it not interesting to know, right? Three important things. What are they? The first thing is bonus shares, and the second thing is dividends, and finally the stock split. How this will welcome things, but it will not affect your stock portfolio in any manner, because this is not going to increase your wealth, but that will impact. Dividends will always impact your wealth because that is increasing in cash flow in your bank account. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first thing is bonus shares. What is bonus shares? For example, any business will start with the face value of 10, which means initially you will start your business with say initial capital of say 1 crore, and that will have a face value of 10 rupees, and that is the common thing all across the business, and any private companies will start like this. And the number of shares, face value is 10, means if the capital is 1 crore, dividing 1 crore by 10 rupees, 10 lakhs is the number of shares you will have in your company. And after 3 5 years, based on the business growth, that 1 crore may become 10 crores or even 100 crores, based on the company, based on the kind of company you are setting up, and based on your business growth. Okay, and the number of shares is going to be the same value, but the book value and everything will change. And after the launch, the number of the, say you are being allocated, that is called IPO, right? Initial public offer. And after that, you're going to get some say 1,000 shares of that particular company X. For example, you are going to get my company name YMM Financial Services in you, and you're going to get 1,000 shares. And out of the 1,000 shares, and after maybe a year, I feel that as a director, I feel that I am ready to give extra bonus shares, because I have excess cash in me, and I need excess cash, and in the future my company might expand. That is option. Let's take a live example. Motherson Sumi has given so much bonus shares between 2013 to 17, almost 2 3 times they've given continuously. One thing is they want liquidity more in their share portfolio, so that they can give the shares and buy the companies. That is one option they can do. And this gives a confidence to the investors as such, because as a if you are giving more shares, means either you are increasing your it means that you have so much confidence, you are investing in your company so much, the management is investing in the company so much, and they are increasing the market share, total market share. From 10,000 shares, my company will become 20,000 shares if I give 1 is to 1 bonus. Right, nothing is going to change. The number of shares what you are going to go having is going to increase. From 1,000 shares what you hold, it will become 2,000 shares. All right, that will happen. This is called bonus shares, and this is also called a stock dividend, because extra whatever you are having, it is going to get doubled. But what will happen to the stock price? Say the stock price was around 250 rupees, and the company is giving 1 is to 1 bonus shares. So 250 will become 125 rupees. So based on the bonus shares ratio, it can be 1 is to 2. For every 1 share, they will give 2 shares, or 3 is to 2. Every 3 shares, they will give 2 shares. It depends upon the management decision. And after that, they will be declaring also. This is a bonus thing which will happen in your, you will get it. And the another thing is the dividends. And the dividends is nothing but okay, now it's clear. Now the next one is dividends. If you look at dividends, dividends means extra money. If the profit is say around 100 rupees, and I decided I'll retain 30% for my company's benefit, meaning I'll reinvest in my company. I will have it as a emergency money for my future, and remaining 70% I want to give it to the people, meaning give it to the investors who believed and invested in my company, right? My companies are listed. The same Motherson Sumi example, they made a 1 crore profit, and 30 lakhs they retained in the company for repaying the loans and repaying interest and all these things, and remaining 70 lakhs they want to give it away as bonus, dividends to the people. Extra profit, they will always give it as dividends, which this will give you the confidence that companies working in a positive direction. And dividends means the company is in excess profit. That is the reason they are giving. Only when you have excess money, you will always give. If you don't have excess money, if you are in loss, you will always borrow money. If the company is borrowing, if more companies are borrowing, automatically that is not a good sign. So this is one of the stock tip you can use. Look at whether the company is giving lots of dividends, and that is one good option you can look at before investing in any company, right? And another point is stock split. I said the face value of the stock should be will be around 10. Face value is 10 and the stock price can be much higher. After the listing, for example, IRCTC launched with I think the stock almost like 100 more than 100% profit. And if you look at Burger King, it also got launched with a more than a stock price was around 60 rupees. The IPO price was 60 rupees. On the day of launch, I think it went up to 120 or 115 rupees. Just look at the way from 60 to 115 on single day. This is called the profit. And but the face value is always stays at 10 rupees. And after 5 years, the Burger King stock price say it went up to 10,000 rupees, and they will go for stock split from 10,000 market price. Again, it will get divided into 5 because stock split the face value 10 is divided into 5, which means now the face value will get reduced to 2, and the market price will also come down to from 10,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees. The live example is Aker Motors. Almost last September or October, the stock price was around 32,000 rupees something. And just because they had split the shares, face value of the shares, 10 face value of 10 become face value of 2, and the stock price from 32,000 came down to, I mean, the stock price was around 21,000 and it came down to 2,100 because they split the shares into 10. Face value of 10 become 1 in Aker Motors, and the stock price become around 2,100 rupees. And right now if you look at the Aker Motors shares is trading around 2,800 900 rupees. So that's what, from that level stock can grow up again. And as an investor, if you're having 100 shares of Aker, if you had 100 shares of Aker Motors, now just multiply it by 10 because face value of 10 become 1. So already you had 100 shares, now you may be having 1,000 shares of Aker Motors. Is it not a good thing? But the total portfolio worth is going to be the same as of now. But after 2 years, if the stock is rising from 2,100 rupees to 3,000 or 5,000, your wealth is going to increase. And you can always sell that 1,000 shares, some 100, 200 shares. After some time, you can make profit. And that is the reason if you're holding for a long period of time, stock split and bonus shares will increase your wealth, not immediately, but after 3 years or 4 years. And another option I missed it is rights issues. Rights issues means say is the same Aker Motors or Motherson Sumi, and looking at the current condition, they want to increase their capital because they are expecting some more acquisition or whatever for operations money. They need some more money. For that purpose, what they will do is they can either go for banks, they can either go for external debts, or another option is with their existing shares, they will make sure they are giving something at a huge discount. Mahindra and Mahindra, 10 months before, they gave a huge discount from I think around 250 rupees or 200 rupees. They gave a rights issue at 131 rupees, and they will give the option to the existing shareholders that the stock is available at 200. Right now, we are offering the extra shares at 131 rupees. Are you willing to buy? And the existing shareholders can buy it at a huge discount. After that, the stock price will come down to that discounted price, and so that adds value because as a management you feel that the company is going to grow. That is the reason you're giving a stock prices huge discount. So that will also, this will not increase the wealth, but it means you can buy the stock, same stock at huge discount. I said about Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services. Just take any other company like Britannia or whatever, and not all the companies which the stock price very high, they will going to give at a huge discount. It depends upon the company to company, and these are options. So all these three four things: dividends for sure will increase your wealth, but stock split, bonus shares, and rights issue will not increase your wealth immediately. But those are all good signs that you are holding a very good stock, and just hold on to it for a long period of time. If in case if you want to take your money out, whatever you invested, take that money out, maybe some 10% extra. Say you invested 2 lakhs, and you can withdraw 2.2 lakhs. If the stock has moved up by, say the stock total portfolio worth is around 4 lakhs, withdraw that 2.2 lakhs, use it for any purpose, leave that 1.8 lakhs for the future because that will grow like anything. You never know, right? Stock market can reward you if you leave it as it is. You never know how much will be the reward. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you had got all the information with respect to stock split, bonus shares, dividends, and rights issues. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends, and if you like the video, please click the subscriber button. Don't forget it. Thank you.